Hey everyone, happy 4th of July. This is Matt with Image Photography in Chattanooga, Tennessee. And we wanted to talk to you guys about some family fun stuff we had at a little barbecue last night for fireworks. Like every other photographer, I had my camera out, but I forgot my strobes and my tripod. So we had to go ahead and work with what we had. So I had an SB910 flash. No color filters, unfortunately, so we had to take a thing of ziplock plastic and color it and put it over the flash. And then, of course, I had a family member who had a flashlight with a moonlight setting, so that's what we worked with. I was shooting with the Nikon D850 and of course the Sigma Art lens set on 1/4, and it turned out to be a pretty cool shot. So first thing I did was we had a campfire and family all behind us, so I went ahead and got rid of the background distractions. Started to adjust the flesh tones a little bit because obviously I used a red dry erase marker on the SB910. It was set at repeat at 1/128th power. Because of course I had my ISO I think set like 2500 for this shot in order to capture the bokeh fireworks in the background. Basically you can see the beginning of this shot, that all that firework except for what I took out in the bottom is in the original shot along with a lot of the color. I did want to, however, on her left side, want to not only blend the flashlight light that was created, but I also wanted to take a little bit of the red away from that side. This is my niece, and she was just completely thrilled to take a shot with me. They begged me for the camera equipment to come out, and I was more than happy to oblige. And we came up with a great shot. So right now I'm adding texture to it. I put a couple different layers of texture on there. I started off with the blue layer, then I wanted to adjust it as to not turn the picture completely blue. I didn't want it to be, known at all with that one. Now I wanted to bring some color out in her eyes, so you can see I put a little, not necessarily, I wouldn't call it a catch light completely. I just wanted to lighten that particular area of her eye up to bring out her color in her eyes a little bit more than what the shadow was trying to take away, and of course what the noise from my ISO sensitivity was trying to take away. So I finally went back through. I wanted to go ahead and take some time to add a little bit of color in her hair, a little more darkness, a little more clarity. Went on with the sharpen tool. Then went through, switched it to 16-bit to get rid of a little bit of banding, and then did a surface blur tool, and then painted away when I wanted to be crisp and clear. So that's this one, guys. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it, and stay tuned. Make sure to follow us on our YouTube page here, and also check us out on our Instagram and our TikTok. You can find those in the comment section below. Follow along with those. We do behind the scenes stuff all the time. And I shoot sessions. I shoot about 10 sessions a week, and every now and then I'm able to get to this part of it, the YouTube video, and then of course the behind the scenes Facebook group. But with that one, you'll see a lot more stuff as it's going on, especially on our Instagram. So all right, thank you guys so much, and feel free to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.